Imagine waking up one morning, looking at your bank account, and realizing for the first time you're not stressed about money. No matter your income, the feeling of control and hope is powerful. Today, I'm going to show you how anyone, yes, anyone, can start saving, even on the tightest budget, in just 3 simple steps. Welcome to Smart Finance Guide, your trusted place for mastering your money. If you've ever felt like saving is only for the wealthy or those with high-paying jobs, you're not alone. But real stories prove that smart habits, not high incomes, create lasting financial peace. Let's look at a powerful example. Sarah, a young teacher in a bustling city, earning just enough to make ends meet. Sarah's journey started with one habit: tracking every dollar. She wrote down every expense from rent to coffee runs using a simple app. The first step is awareness, seeing where your money actually goes. Even Elon Musk, before his billions, famously lived on $1 a day for food, learning exactly how far each dollar could stretch. When you know your numbers, you're empowered to make changes. Next, Sarah set a micro goal. Instead of aiming to save hundreds right away, she challenged herself to save just $5 each week. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Small, manageable goals build momentum and confidence. Over time, those tiny deposits grew, and Sarah realized saving wasn't about sacrifice, it was about progress. The third step is to automate your savings and celebrate the wins. Sarah set up an automatic transfer, so a little money moved to savings the moment she got paid. No willpower required. Each month, as her savings grew, she rewarded herself with a small treat, reinforcing the positive habit. This is how real change sticks. No matter your income or background, these 3 steps, track, set a micro goal, and automate, can redefine your relationship with money. Sarah's story isn't unique. It's a blueprint anyone can follow. Your journey starts with a single step, and each small win builds a brighter, more secure future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Finance Guide for more real-world advice on achieving financial freedom. And if you'd like to support our mission, consider donating just $1 via PayPal. Every contribution helps us keep empowering dreamers like you. Thank you for being part of this journey to smarter, happier finances.
Want to prove this content works? Just $1 tells us you're not just watching, you're winning.